Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Ghegicu portable washing machine. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Cordless mini washing machine. Measures 21.2 cm / 8.35 inches x 13.5 cm / 5.3 inch x 13.5 cm / 5.3 inches. Weighs only 1.5 pounds, has a capacity of 1.5 liters, and is equipped with a 3600 mAh rechargeable battery. No need to plug in all the time, giving you total flexibility wherever you go. High-speed deep cleaning. This portable washing machine has an upgraded high-speed turbine motor that can quickly clean stains on clothes. And the blue light can provide a hygienic washing method, which is very suitable for washing small clothes such as baby clothes, underwear, or socks, protecting the health of you and your family. Waterproof and rechargeable. The body is splash-proof and equipped with a 3600 mAh battery. It can be used wireless after charging, making it ideal for travel, business trips, and camping. This portable washing machine allows you to enjoy the freedom of laundry anytime, anywhere. Note, it does not have dehydration and drying functions. Easy to use, 2 modes, quick clean, 5 minutes, thorough clean, 15 minutes. Actual battery life after full charge, quick clean, 5 minutes, about 43 times, gentle clean, 15 minutes, about 16 times. Wide application. Our portable washing machine is made of TPE and food-grade silicone material, protecting the health of you and your family. It is a practical helper in apartments, RVs, travel, and daily life, making laundry easier and more efficient. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.